Welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. I'm so sorry to say that I do not think that we're going to have a white Christmas. Boo! I know. Everybody was hoping. I was hoping for a Christmas miracle, but it just does not appear that that's going to be in the cards. A lot of people want to punch me for that, but I was doing everything I could, talking to Mother Nature, trying to get a white Christmas. Now, we do have a possible big weather event coming our way. Now, we've been talking about rain. There's an upper-level storm system located to the west of Arkansas, and this thing, the models have just had a horrible time trying to predict this thing coming through, but they're better agreement now as to when this is coming through, and even one of the great models that I like, the European, even showing some snow accumulations now for northern Arkansas, but that's not until Monday night and into early Tuesday. We've got some showers across southern Arkansas, especially for this evening. This is being recorded around 2:30 on Christmas Eve. So we got some showers across southern Arkansas, and that's the focus, at least for tonight and early tomorrow, Christmas Day, is southern Arkansas. Some of the models are showing we may not get much during the day on Christmas Day, and then late Sunday night and into Monday, the precipitation, a soaker, rain soaker heading our way. Let me show you amounts of rainfall here according to Futurecast, the morning run of it. 4 inches El Dorado, almost 4 inches in Monticello, almost 3 inches in Pine Bluff, an inch and a half Little Rock, and into Hot Springs. This is total through 7 o'clock on Monday, and lesser amounts the further north and west you go, Fayetteville and into Harrison. So it looks like this will be mainly a rain event, but I want to caution you that what we're looking at is a very dynamic cold core system which will be moving across Arkansas from the southwest to the northeast late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. A lot of times these can catch forecasters off guard. And what looks like on the models that the low levels of the atmosphere are too warm to support anything frozen. A lot of times these things can be so dynamic. You get a lot of lift, the atmosphere cools, and it snows, and that starts to fall so heavily, it cools the entire column of the atmosphere, and the temperatures at the surface will drop to freezing or maybe just a little bit above freezing. You can get those big, fat snowflakes, those big snowflakes. Again, I'm not saying that is going to happen, but it is within the realm of possibility Monday night into Tuesday morning. We saw a situation similar to this just a couple of weeks ago when we got that 2 inches of snow here in central Arkansas, and I told myself I'm not going to be caught off guard by one of these upper-level storm systems, and it's vigorous if it stays vigorous and comes into Arkansas. So, yeah, we don't have any Arctic air on the playing field, so it's very difficult when you don't have Arctic air around to get snow. But this is probably one of the only ways to get snow in Arkansas when you don't have Arctic air is to get one of these cold core lows to move across the state. So I have some model data here that I want to go through. We'll get to it. There's the rainfall amounts now. Let me get into it right now. I'm going to try to make this in 3 minutes here. We've got a lot to go over. We're using the Global Forecasting System, the GFS. Here's Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. This is not doing a great job on picking up on the showers in southwest Arkansas Saturday afternoon, but look what happens during the going into tonight, Christmas Eve night and Christmas morning. It's picking up on showers for southern Arkansas as the storm system out towards the west begins to eject out. Maybe some morning showers across the southern half of the state going into Christmas morning, but then it shows it getting out of here, and Christmas Day not too bad, probably some leftover clouds. And then watch this. This is midnight Monday. And then watch what happens. 6 a.m. Monday, boom! Noon Monday, and then 6 o'clock Monday afternoon. Rain, and it should be a soaker as it moves across the state on Monday. So rain will be likely on Monday. Now this is where things get interesting. With this portion of the storm system right in here as it moves across Arkansas, this is the upper level low right here producing precipitation as it moves across Arkansas late Monday night and into Tuesday morning. Now I'm going to show you that this is Monday at 9 o'clock. Here's the upper level low as it moves across North Texas and from southwest to northeast. Here, I'll take it southwest to northeast through portions of southwest Arkansas through the northeastern part of the state. Now, when you look at these areas of low pressure aloft, these vigorous areas of low pressure, it's important to remember you look at this and you look at the model data, and they all show that the low levels of the atmosphere, where we live here at the ground, the surface temperatures, would be too warm to produce any type of frozen precipitation. And theoretically, when you look at the models, that's the case. But what happens a lot of times, and what can catch forecasts off guard, is the fact that these are so vigorous, there's a tremendous amount of lift. These are cold core lows. There's a tremendous amount of lift, and you get snow to get produced in the upper levels here, and that works its way down towards the surface, and it cools. That snow can cool the lower levels of the atmosphere. So along and north of the track of that upper level low, it's a cold rain, and I wouldn't doubt if in western and northern Arkansas, in this area, it began to mix with or change to some snow before ending as that upper level low tracks across Arkansas. Again, we're talking about late Monday, probably Monday night, and into early Tuesday morning. So depending on the track and the intensity, that's where I would look to see if we would see any type of changeover across western, especially those higher elevations of western Arkansas into northern Arkansas. The European is even indicating accumulations, the European model, accumulations across north central Arkansas by early Tuesday morning. So, again, it's only Saturday. It's several days away. We'll keep an eye on it. And, of course, we'll keep you updated on Facebook. Just look me up, Todd Yacobian. And on Twitter, KATV_weather. I think I did that in just about 3 minutes. Everybody, I want you to truly have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy it with your friends and family. I hope that you have a very, very special day. Merry Christmas, everyone.